Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got another video for you guys. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back now and I wanted to tell you guys about Hoobuy. And you might be wondering, Tommy, didn't we already cover this? Now while it is true, I have been contacted by them again and they were asking me if I wanted to do a video again. And I said of course. So today I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to buy from Hoobuy. This is the main page of the website. As you can see, it's just a normal main page. Right here you have everything you need, such as your dashboard, your orders, your warehouse, etc. Now whenever you do sign up, please make sure to go to my link, beacons.ai/TommieReps. I use my sign up. What you'll also find in my link tree is this, the Hoobuy spreadsheet. This will guide you right here. This has all the products you will need. I've been looking at these Balenciaga jeans for quite some time. I've decided to finally cop them, so I'll be adding them to my cart. This is what my cart looks like right now, so I'll be checking out.
Three days later.
So as you guys are able to tell, all my orders came through, and as you can see I have them in the warehouse. Right here we have the Balenciaga jeans I was talking about, and here we have them in hand in the warehouse. Now in the event of something being wrong with your order, like you have a stain or they send out the wrong product, you can just press here on request a refund and they will refund it as quickly as possible. Now when you are satisfied with everything you have in your warehouse, you can just press here, select all your items, tell them which country they need to ship it to. So mine is Belgium, but it's basically the same for the whole European Union. I'll also be telling you what it is for America and Australia. So as you guys are able to tell, I have about 4 shipping lines, which is basically the same for the whole European Union. Of course, there are a few differences in shipping lines, but it's mostly the same. So for basically every country, I would just suggest any triangular shipping line, which are mostly the DHL lines. These triangular lines will have your package first shipped to the Netherlands, then go through customs either in Germany or also in the Netherlands, and then go to your country. So as you see here, in Poland it's just the same as Belgium. You only pay a few more dollars, but it's basically the same. Now for the US it's a little tricky. I don't know if the tariffs are still up or not, but I just recommend you guys all use the duty-free lines. They are the best for the US. Now for Canada, you guys are the lucky ones. You have the most lenient customs of everyone. You should just take any line you want. Just please refrain from using the C lines. They are the worst because they take so long. Now for Australia, I don't know exactly, but you guys also have very lenient customs. I've heard Gilly say EMS is the best. So basically just stick to what Gilly said and just use the EMS lines. I think that's the best. Now whenever you have found your country and found your shipping line, you just submit the package and fill in your address. Make sure that you didn't forget any items. Then for the packing method, I would just say stick to the carton box. The simple packaging is not that good and it will rip very easily. Also, if you have shoes, please use the free shoe trees. They're free, so why wouldn't you take it? Now for the rest, it's up to you. You don't have to pick it, but I recommend it because it makes your package more strong, but it does cost a little extra. Now when it comes to declaration, don't panic. You just have to declare anywhere from $12 to $30 depending on how much kgs you are shipping out. Make sure you always use decimals so it makes it less obvious for the customs. Also, very important step, always make sure that you get your insurance, because if your package gets lost or the customs sees it, you'll always get your money back. Now the most important step of this entire video is of course using my code. In this screen you select how you want to pay, so I'll be paying with the wallet that's already on Hoobuy and I'll just be topping it up. Now, if you want any shipping updates, you'll see them right here at the parcel page. Full trajectory of ordering to your doorstep will be about 2 to 3 weeks, so please stay patient. And whenever you do get your package in, please make sure to make a TikTok of it and I'll be liking every single one of you guys that tagged me. I also want to thank you guys for sticking with me through these times because I haven't uploaded at all in like 6 months or something. The sponsorship made me land back on my feet and I'll be back for you guys making videos. I'll be more active on YouTube and on TikTok as well. I did feel like the language barrier was a big thing for me. And it's hard for me to explain what I want to say in English, because as many of you guys know, English is not my main language. But as the videos progress, I'll be more natural with it and I'll get used to it. So please make sure to stick with me. I also want to give a big shout out to Jay, as well as Sickfit and Gilly. They're really my favorite creators and I really love to watch them. And I aspire to be as big as them one day. Of course, I'll have to grind for it. just like them. If you do have any suggestions for me to make a video about, whether it's about reps or just about myself, and yeah, just let me know in the comments what you want to see from me and I'll make it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.